Good afternoon and welcome to a DCME tutorial. Today's tutorial we will show you how to complete and add a care plan to the DCME console, which will allow your staff members to view the care plan in the app. We have two types of care plans, an embedded one or your own uploaded one. We recommend using our embedded one because we have a lot of information and it's been approved by the CQC. However, for some companies, they might like to use their own care plans. To do this, it's very simple. You go to Operations and Service Users. Now, firstly, I will show you how to upload your own care plan. Simply click on the service user's name and you click Browse, and you can browse to your machine and upload your own care plan. It's important that that care plan is in a PDF format, otherwise the staff will not be able to see it in the app. The preferred way to do it is to create and upload your own embedded one. So you go to the service user, actions menu and click care plan. Here we have our own embedded care plan with all the questions that you will need to fill in. Once you've completed that information, you click save. Very important that you save, as you go through the document as well. If you leave it for an hour or 2 hours and don't save it, you may lose your work. So it's best to save every 20 minutes, every 30 minutes to ensure you don't lose any work. Once you're happy with your care plan, you click save and the staff members will be able to look at the care plan in the app. Please note that if you have both an embedded care plan and also an uploaded care plan, the uploaded care plan will take priority. So please only have either an uploaded care plan or an embedded care plan. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and we look forward to sending more tutorials in the future. DCME, Domiciliary Care Made Easier.